Today I show you how to add ad unit to your SwitfUI project. Let's go to the AdMob site and add a new app. Let's create some advertisement for our apps. In this tutorial we only use the banner and the interstitial advertisement. Now let's copy the IDs that we later use in the project. Let's create a new Iscos project and immediately after we go to install the Google framework. We update the Info.plist as described in the AdMob guide. Let's make sure we set up the Google AdMob in the main. Now we have to create some views for the ads and add the ID we have previously created. Finally, we add the banner in the content view and test the advertisement.